Hello everyone and welcome back to creating a game from scratch. So the final thing we need to do is add the remainder of our facts and questions to the game. So I'm going to add one more fact and one more question, but you can then add as many as you have. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to tap on our fact, which is this one. I'm going to keep my finger on it and I'm going to duplicate it. So there we have our duplicated fact. So now this is the one that I want. Now what I'm going to do now is go to my costumes and change the fact to my new fact. So I'm going to click on this and I'm going to get rid of the text and I'm going to type in here. There's my fact. I'm going to go back to my code. If I tap show there, you can see the fact there. Now I just need to bring that over just a little bit. Like so. Go back to the code, press show. There we go. When there is a problem with your code, you need to debug it. Okay, so there's my fact. There's something wrong with the duplicated code. What is it and how are you going to fix it? Now because we duplicated everything, all the code is there. But however, it says when I receive fact 1. Now we don't want to do that. This is fact 2. So we go back to the balloon. We're now going to put another if condition in this code. Now to do this, what we can do is this piece of code here, we can duplicate. So if we keep our finger on it, duplicate, and then add it to the bottom. All right, so. And then just change the timing code. So 27 seconds, well, our next fact can come in at maybe 19 seconds. And then we're going to broadcast a new message. This is going to be fact 2. Okay. Now let's go back to fact 2 and change when I receive fact 2, that's when we want the code to appear. So when we play the game, both facts will now appear, one at 27 seconds and one at 19. So let's go back to the balloon, let's join this up and let's see if that happens. Here's the first one. There's the second one. Okay. So we've got both of our facts coming up. What else do we need to do? We have the facts, but our player's going to read the facts and we need to check that they understand what the facts are. So what do we need to do next? Now what we need is to add the question. So let's go back to our game over screen. Now, we've got all of this information here. Let's just drag this off. And all we need to do now is duplicate this piece of code. So let's keep our finger on it, duplicate, and add this to the bottom. However, we've got two answers here. So what we need to do is we need to ask another question. So let's go into sensing and drag in our other question. So this is the question one. We need to drag that into here. And let's ask this question. And the answer is going to be debug. We can drag this to the bottom like that. And that's all there is to it. And you repeat the same process for your next fact and your next question. So let's now go and play the game. So let's go back to the balloon, attach this, and let's play the game. Okay. There's my first one. There's my second one, and game over. So off you go and give this a go. So all that remains is for you to continue adding your facts and your questions to the game. How many facts and questions can you have in your game? What else could you do to improve your game even further? Good luck!